is a barrage on the river Indus near the city of Sukkur in the Sindh province of Pakistan. The barrage was built during the British Raj from 1923 to 1932 and was named Lloyd Bridge. The Sukkur Barrage is a pride of Pakistan's irrigation system as it is the largest single irrigation network of its kind in the world. It irrigates from Sukkur district in the north to Mirpur Khas Tharparkar and Hyderabad districts in the south of Sindh, almost all parts of the province. It is situated about 500 km northeast of Karachi, 5 km below the railway bridge or the Sukkur Gorge. The introduction of barrage control irrigation systems resulted in more timely water supply for the existing cultivated areas of Sindh province of Pakistan. Sindh survives almost entirely on the water of the river Indus as there is a very limited groundwater available. Rainfall in the province averages between 100 to 200 mm per year, while the evaporation rate is between 1000 and 2000 mm. Thus, Sindh is arid and it is only the Indus which irrigates otherwise varied lands of the Sindh. Regular surveys have not been carried out as availability of groundwater in the province. Various sources estimate that its volume is between 3 and 5 maf, scattered in 28% of the geographical area of Sindh. However, some experts suggest it to be less than these estimates. This water is found mainly along the river Indus River, along the Indus Water Canal channel, and in the few natural underground streams. The idea of Sukkur Bridge was conceived by Mr. C.A. 5 in 1868. However, the project was finally sanctioned in 1923. It was constructed under the overall direction of Sir Charlton Harrison, CIA, as the chief engineer, while Sir Arnold Musto, CIA, was architect and engineer of the scheme. The headworks and canals were completed by 1932. On its completion, it was opened by the first Earl of Wellington, Viceroy of India. The scheme had been launched by the Governor of Bombay, Sir George Lloyd, later known as Lord Lloyd, and it was named in his honor when during Sindh offered his engineering services, who was later responsible for Randhaghari Dam in Maharashtra, India. Said Ghulam Mustafa of the Imperial Service also played an instrumental role in the design and construction of barrage. Legendary Indian civil engineer Mr. Vishwavaraya lent his service for the development of the network waterworks. They revitalized its water storage capacity and distribution efficiency. The government of Pakistan embarked upon massive rehabilitation work of Sukkur Barrage. The work was started by Pakistan Army Corps and Frontier Work Organization on 22 November 2004 and was completed ahead of the deadline in July 2005 with the cost of just $15 million. Experts believe that the rehabilitation of the barrage enhanced its efficiency for another 60 to 70 years. The barrage is used to control water flow in the river Indus for the purpose of irrigation and flood control. This barrage is the backbone of economy of the entire country, enables water flow through that what was originally a network of 7 canals, 9,923 kilometers long, feeding the longest irrigation system in the world, with more than 7.63 million acres of irrigated land, which forms about 20% of total canal irrigated area of the country. The retaining wall of the barrage has 66 span outfall gates, each 18 meters wide and weighing 50 tons. The Nora Canal, which is one of 7 canals of taking from this barrage, is the largest canal of this country, carrying discharge almost equal to that of the Thames at London, and its bed width, which is 105 meters and 1.5 times as big as Suez Canal. In fact, Nara Canal is not man-made canal as it was the southernmost part of the river, which emanated from the foothills of Sutlej, which after traversing through the Punjab and Bawalpur plains join Nara through Rainy River. Remnants of it are still existent in Kotki district of the province. This canal caters for the area 23 lakhs acres. The next largest canal is Rori Canal, which though slightly shorter in length than Nara Canal canal is yet taking discharge much more than the former. It has cultivable area of 26 lakh acres settled for irrigation. Cotton, wheat, and sugarcane are the main crops grown on this canal system. All the four canals on the left and two canals on the right bank of river Indus are perennial canals, delivering irrigation supplies all the year around. The seventh canal, namely Rice Canal, on the right side of seasonal canal which flows only in the Kharif season and designed for rice cultivation. Then W Canal on the right bank provides perennial irrigation for the area of 10,65,000 acres, out of which 74,000 hectares, means 1,84,000 acres, are situated in Balochistan province. Indus River dolphins are usually seen upstream of the barrage. Don't forget to subscribe my channel.